welcome back to our channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we are going to show you about our 67 to 69 Camaro Firebird front dash speaker with install bracket. Here is an aftermarket one that came out of a first-gen Camaro. As you can see, it is slightly bowed and not very durable. Here is the new one. It is made out of aluminum for long life and lightweight. Alright, let's get into it. This is a super easy install. You just want to remove this bolt right here. Pull the old mounting bracket out. Line up your new bracket. The new one will go in the same spot and line up with the factory mounting hole. Then you will hook up the wiring, replace your bolt, and tighten it back down. And that is it. Your front dash speakers are installed. Check it out. Here is the new one and the old one laid out on the table. As you can see, the new one has a nice satin black powder coat finish. This is the old one, which is plastic, and as you can see, it has bowed and warped over time. The new one is made out of aluminum, which as you can see here lays flat. It's better quality and will have a longer life and durability. This aluminum mounting bracket is made to fit the dash speaker location on 67 to 69 Camaros and Firebirds. This setup includes the speakers, or we also have the bracket available to purchase by itself. Like I said, it's installed on an aluminum mounting bracket made to fit the dash speaker location, so there is no cutting or drilling on the car. This includes stainless steel hardware and ships ready to install. The satin black finish also helps it to be less visible through the vents in the dash. Alright y'all, that is it for today. Leave any questions or comments below and y'all have a great day.